And the fifth speaker is Malati Holla, who for Bangaloreans requires very little introduction. Manager with Syndicate Bank, represented India at the Paralympics, World Masters, Commonwealth, and of course 300 medals to a kitty. But the most interesting one is, of course, the awards, the national awards that she's won, both the Arjuna and the Padma Shri. And she also shelters 16 children with various disabilities at the Matru Foundation, and in Bangalore is well recognized as a motivational speaker.
Good afternoon, everyone. I may not be the right person to be here, one of the panel members here today, but when I look back my life, the way I struggled to come up to this level, I was even struggling to crawl to fulfill my day-to-day life. But compare that life to this life as a phenomenal change in this life. But at the same time, I feel that I was also one of the responsible citizens to cooperate or make this change to this world. Because after seeing our struggle, after feeling our problems, at least this corporate world and these NGOs would have purified their thoughts and could make little change, little blossom in our life. My question is to that. We have a beautiful infrastructure now. We have a lot of helping hands, corporates, government, NGOs, etc., etc. But being a disabled, what's our responsibility to this society? Are we grumbling for what we are not getting from the world, from the society, or from our family members? Or we are showing to this world we are the best citizens of a country with what we have. Whatever we do, we have to give back to the society. No matter what problem we have. Because in this world, each and every person is not disabled. In this world, each and every person has a potential. Only thing is, we have to look into the world with a positive attitude. Only a minute part of our body is paralyzed. That's all. Rest, everything is fantastic. Our mind is not paralyzed. Society is not paralyzed. Our positive attitude is not paralyzed. Abundant and everything, our self-confidence is not paralyzed. Only the way you put it to the world, that is important, that's all. Of course we have problems, physical problems and mental problems. Of course we have. But how best you can overcome it, how best you can hurdle it, that matters. Let us not become the word slave to these circumstances. I normally hate it. Coming to this podium, to this step, is a circumstantial barrier. I agree with you. But we have a lot of ways how you make your mind, how you put your mind, how you put yourself to come to the podium is matters. Let us not change the whole world, you know. We are not authorized and we have no right to change the whole world at all. Let us change ourselves. Let us change our mind. Let us change our self-confidence. Because instead of putting our responsibility to some other's shoulders, we have to carry our own responsibility on our shoulder because we are the creator of our own destiny. I don't believe that God has created this world at all. He might have created this planet, that's all. It is we who have created this world, living on this beautiful planet, helping, encouraging, motivating, inspiring, instill self-confidence with one another, isn't it? Because at the end of our life, we are not judged by how many diplomas we have carried, how much money we have made, or how much beautiful works we have done. We are judged only by, I was hungry, you gave me food. I was naked, you clothed me. And I was homeless, you took me in. Because the way the world will look at us, the way we look into that. So first of all, let us all forget that we are disabled. At the same time, let us all accept that we are disabled, that's all. Instead of changing the whole world, as I say that, let us change our confidence. Then you look into the world, it looks so beautiful, so colorful. The way I'm living on this wheelchair. Physically, who is not a problem? Tell me. I've undergone 32 surgeries. Can you make it? No. I've undergone a lot of problems in my life. One cannot make it. In fact, the more physical problems, the more physical pains you have, that makes you mentally strength and is strong. Let us not make the thinking how beautifully we look. That doesn't matter at all. Eternal beauty doesn't matter at all. It may be on us, maybe 5 or 10 years, or our beauty will be smashed within a second when you go on the road. It matters how the world look at us beautifully. As I said, the world will look at us the way we look at it. Let us all have one goal in our life and try to reach it. Thank you very much.
Malti, you said you didn't know why you are here. I think all of us need role models. And one of the critical initiatives that Nevertheless has to do over the next 5 years is to identify hundreds of such role models in every space in the country to be able to showcase it, because role models are needed for any of us to succeed in life. Yeah? And I'm sure anybody sitting in this room who heard Malti, every word, it didn't matter where Malti came from, what she did, how she did, okay? It's about being a role model, and that is what we were keen on having you here, okay? Thank you so much.